Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin ating series on laws of exponents. No? Now, sa previous videos, diniscuss natin yung mga rules na to, no? Yung mga laws na ito. And gusto ko mag-focus dito sa dalawang laws sa baba, no? Yung division. Sabi natin, if a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, mas malaki yung exponent sa taas. For example, x to the 5th over x cubed. So, mangyayari dyan, i-minus mo lang yung exponent, which is x to the 5 minus 3, which is equal to x squared. Yan ay pag mas malaki yung exponent sa taas. Pag malaki naman yung exponent sa baba, if m is less than n. For example, y to the a divided by y to the 10th. No? So, magiging 1 over y raised to the, alin yung n natin? Yung nasa baba, di ba yung mas malaking exponent? 10 minus 8, which is equal to 1 over y squared. Now, hindi ko na-explain to mga to bakit ang ganito. No? Diniscuss natin sa previous videos kung bakit ganito yung rules. No? Now, meron tayong m is greater than n, m is less than n. Ang tanong, what is a raised to m over a raised to n? If m is equal to n. Paano mangyayari? Ibig sabihin ng m is equal to n. Ibig sabihin parang yung exponent natin. Di ba? Halimbawa, x cubed over x cubed. Paano yun? Anong gagawin natin pag ano? X cubed over x cubed. Well, obviously, this is 1. No? Kung gagamitin natin yung, yung laws of exponent number, ito yung pangalawa. So, x cubed over x cubed is equal to x. Minus natin yung exponent, di ba? 3 minus 3, which is equal to x to the 0. So, x cubed over x cubed is equal to 1, while x to the 0 is equal to 1. Ibig sabihin, x to the 0 is equal to 1. Pwede nyo siguro itanong, paano naman kung ito yung ginamit natin? So, ganun din. This becomes x cubed over x cubed is equal to, ano ginawa natin dito? 1 over x raised to the 3 minus 3. Ito yan, di ba? And then x cubed over x cubed is equal to 1. Magiging 1 over x raised to the 0. So multiplying both sides by x to the 0, we have x to the 0 equals 1. So ibig sabihin, meron tayong nadagdag na isang rule. No? Ito yung isang rule natin that x or any number, any variable raised to the 0. Pareho actually yung exponent yan. So, pag sinabi mong x to the 0, it can mean x to the 5th over x to the 5th. No? Kasi 5 minus 5 is 0. Or it can also mean x to the 10th over x to the 10th. So, yun. Marami siyang meaning yung x to the 0 kasi you're actually subtracting the same integer here or the same exponent. No? So, yan yung ito yung isang addition natin, no? Sa ating rules. X to the 0 is raised to 1. Or, since a yung ginagamit natin, pwede nating gamitin yung a. A to the m is equal to a to the 0. A to the 0, which is equal to 1 if m is equal to n. So, kompleto na tayo, no? Sa division. So, we'll just have several examples. Let's have some examples. So, x to the 0 times y. Paano natin isi-simplify yan? So, alam natin that x to the 0 is equal to 1. And then we have y. So, 1 times y is y. So, x to the 0 y is the same as y. Number 2, we have b to the 0 times b to the 9th. No? So, dalawang solution dito. No? By law of exponent number 1, we add the exponent. No? Exponents. So, b raised to the 0 plus 9, which is equal to b raised to the 9th power. O kaya, pwede rin natin sabihin b to the 0 times b raised to 9 ay ang b to the 0 natin ay 1 and then b b raised to the 9th power. So 1 times b to the 9th power is b to the 9th. So pwede, pareho naman sila ng sagot. Number 3, we have what is 2m cubed n to the 4th raised to the 0. Paano pa ganito? No? Well, basically you're dividing this, no, by itself with some exponent. No? So again, this is still equal to 1. No? So pwede mo sabihin kasi na 2m cubed n to the 4th, and you choose an exponent like 5, and then 2m cubed n to the 4th, 5 to the 5th power. So 5 minus 5 is actually 0, meaning you're just dividing the fraction by, or the expression by itself. No? So still 1. So any number, any expression raised to 0, any variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. Last example, we have what is a to the 0 plus b to the 0 plus c to the 0. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So these are very examples dahil napakasimple naman ng ating rule, ng ating law. Siguro ito na lang muna yung examples natin. We'll proceed to negative exponents sa susunod na video. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating tutorial. Gusto ko i-invite sa facebook.com/sipnayanph and our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe, no? And kung meron kayong topic na hinahanap, no, padami yung videos natin, type nyo lang sa YouTube Sipnayan and then yung topic na gusto nyo. Halimbawa, Sipnayan Laws of Exponent. Pwede nyo i-type sa YouTube and yan. Nakikita nyo naman yung logo natin. No? Madali naman siya tandaan, yung parang cube. So, makikita nyo kung galing siya sa channel. Okay, maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.